Are you looking for the best pipe wrenches in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best pipe wrenches that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the RIDGID 31095 Model 814 Aluminum Straight Pipe Wrench. RIDGID's 14-inch aluminum pipe wrench is the ideal general-purpose plumbing tool. It's long enough to provide good leverage, but still short enough to get into cabinets and other close quarters where plumbing fittings are located. Its jaws are designed to fit pipes of inch to 1.5 inches in diameter, which covers all the standard plumbing found in your home. Traditional pipe wrenches have iron or steel handles. They are incredibly strong, but also very heavy. The RIDGID Model 814 is made of cast aluminum, which is 40% lighter when compared to others of its size. Thanks to its I-beam construction, though, it's equally strong. The one downside of RIDGID pipe wrenches is that they come at a premium price, and this model is no exception. Up next in the 4th place is the Tradespro 8309 1414-inch heavy-duty pipe wrench. Almost all modern pipe wrenches are based on the Stilson wrench that was patented in 1869. If that original were compared to Tradespro's 14-inch wrench, few differences are discernible. It's basic but efficient, and it does the job it was designed for with minimal fuss. The Tradespro model is made from drop-forged steel, which means it's hammered into shape under tremendous pressure, while the metal is still molten, which makes it incredibly strong. The wrench is then heat-treated to improve durability. Its machining teeth and adjusting thread have excellent wear resistance. Pipe capacity is from 1/2 inch to 2 inches. The Tradespro isn't made with the same precision as its high-quality competitors, but it costs a fraction of the price. The 3rd product on our list is the Crescent 24 inches chain wrench CW24. At times, plumbing fittings can be particularly difficult and frustrating to access. A small pipe wrench might fit in the gap, but it may not provide enough leverage. In situations like this, a chain wrench, such as this Crescent 24-inch, can prove invaluable. The Crescent 24-inch chain wrench can tackle pipes up to 4 inches in diameter. It's chrome-plated, and it wipes clean after use. As with all pipe wrenches, this wrench's jaws will mark the surfaces they grip, so don't use it on decorative surfaces. Second on our list is the LoggerHead 8 inches Bionic Grip Adjustable Wrench. The 8-inch Bionic grip from LoggerHead can tackle pipework from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch, and it's equally useful on nuts, bolts, and any other fitting within that range. Users don't have to adjust this wrench like an ordinary pipe wrench. Slot the C-shaped head over the item to be gripped, then squeeze the rubberized handles together. As you do so, 4 serrated jaws extend and take a firm hold of the object. Simply twist to loosen or tighten the jaws. The Bionic grip is made of laminated steel plates, so it's light but strong. It doesn't produce the same torque as a long-handled pipe wrench, but that type of tool won't fit in every space. This wrench can be used for dozens of other household uses. Finally, the top product on our list is the Performance Tool W2148 48-inch aluminum pipe wrench. When the subject of plumbing comes up, most people think of the pipes that carry water. But the same term also applies to oil, gas, or sewage pipelines. Those kinds of installations invariably have larger diameters, which is when the Performance Tool 48-inch pipe wrench comes into its own. This tool's precision ground, drop-forged steel jaws provide reliable grip. Its maximum jaw capacity is quoted as 6 inches, but in practical terms, it's closer to 5.5 inches. Because the wrench is 4 feet long, its handle can produce extra leverage to release the most stubborn of fittings. It's a bit of a monster, but it's still manageable. And because it's made from cast aluminum, it weighs just under 14 pounds. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.